In this video, I'll show you how to launch a meme coin on Pump.fun. It's going to be a full beginner's video guide, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is usually for educational purposes only, so I'm just sharing my thoughts on some educational stuffs you should know. So first thing, what you need to do, go to your web Chrome store and make sure you have added up Phantom Wallet extension. So if you look right here, you can see ours is currently added up. So this is it. So make sure you've added yours up, and what you need to do now, click on it. Once it opens up, you're going to be able to see this option. So click on this receive. Once you click on this receive, you're going to be able to copy your Solana wallet address. So fund it with any required or any preferred amount you want. Once you have funded it, open up your Phantom wallet. Okay, this is going to come out. So if you click on the home, this is going to come out. So just click on this login. Make sure your Pump.fun is connected to your Phantom wallet for this to be able to go through. So once you have clicked on it, click on this create coin. Come on here, enter the name of the coin, enter the ticker, enter the description. If it has any social links, maybe Telegram, Twitter, any of them, add it up from this option. So you can come on here as well and upload an image you love to use for the coin. So once you're done, you can also come on here and add up a banner, right? So once you're done, you're going to be able to see the login to create coin. So make sure your Pump.fun is currently connected to your Phantom wallet for you to be able to go through. So once you have done it, you're going to be able to click on the create coin. So you're going to be able to create your own meme coin here on Phantom wallet. Sorry, your own meme coin here on Pump.fun. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video.